Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the dual apps or clone apps in your device Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So if you want to have the clone of any app, you can get it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can have dual apps or clone of apps in your device.